In this spine-tingling clip, we enter the unsettling world of a man who, in the eerie silence of midnight, hears insistent, chilling knockings emanating from his kitchen cabinet. What unfolds next will defy the boundaries of the rational and plunge us into the heart of the inexplicable. The knockings, insistent and unnerving, seem to emanate from within the very heart of the cabinet, as if an unseen entity is trapped within. Then inside the drawer even the doll is seen moving on its own. What could possibly be causing these phantom knocks? In this harrowing clip, we bear witness to an unsettling sequence of events captured by an unassuming CCTV camera. What unfolds within the confines of this ordinary home is nothing short of supernatural. In this harrowing clip, we bear witness to an unsettling sequence of events captured by an unassuming CCTV camera. What unfolds within the confines of this ordinary home is nothing short of supernatural. In this chilling clip, the watchful eye of a street CCTV camera captures a truly perplexing phenomenon. A strange and elusive light, an ethereal beacon of the unknown gliding and flickering along the ground. What could this spectral light represent? Is it the manifestation of a spectral presence or something else? The fearless Arabic explorer Abdullah al-Anbari goes into the heart of a dense and foreboding forest which holds many rumors of paranormal occurrences.
ايوه في ثعابين في المكان يا تركي اعرف انا. المكان خطير خطير مرة خطير. خليك قريب يا تركي ها. في ثعابين هنا في المكان يا جماعة ترى. الله يسعدك يا مون. بسم الله توكلت على الله. ولا حول ولا قوة الا بالله. دقيقة. نغير الإضاءة. هذا. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أنا يا جماعة يدي مرة تحرقني. شوف النفخة بدأت تزيد. سمعت صوت واحد أنا ما أدري فينه. إيه سامع صوته. اسمع الصوت، اسمع الصوت. طفي الكشاف. اسمع الصوت.
Throughout his journey into the woods, several times strange noises are heard despite him being far off in a distance where no one else is. In this hair-raising clip, we find ourselves in the realm of surveillance, where the watchful eye of a CCTV camera captures an astonishing and perplexing sight. An entity, dark and elusive, seems to be hurtling through the frame at a speed that defies comprehension. Many think it could be a bug, but if we look closely, it doesn't seem to have any clear answers of what might exactly that be. An intrepid individual on a spine-tingling journey deep into a forest, where the veil between our world and the realm of the paranormal grows thin. In this hair-raising clip, we are about to witness an extraordinary and unsettling sight. An eerie Pocong ghost, a spectral presence bound in burial wrappings, wandering amidst the ancient trees. A team of Indonesian explorers decide to step into a law-and-rumored paranormal treehouse area and manages to capture some of the creepiest activities ever.
Ha? Diyan? Yan mga idol. So ito yung bahay kung saan merong pamilya, mag-asawa na pinatay. Yan o. Wow, bro! Ayan o. Hindi ko alam kung klaro nyo ha. Wow. Ayan o. Ano sabi? Antiin ka baka may ahas. Oh my God. Bro, dito bro. Ayan o. Wow. Ayan o. Wow, pare. Maraming mga tao kahit sa umaga. Nakikita ka dito. Ha? Woods? Bro, inaan natin yung flashlight bro kasi dito nagpapaano eh. Oh my goodness. Ano yun bro? Pinto eh. Wow. Bigla na lang sumura yung pinto. Oh, dito to bro. Dito namin nakikita dati bro. Siguro mga 3 buwan na nang huli kami pumunta dito bro. Wow! May footstep. Wow! Wow, bro! Wow! Para may footstep.
Just as they enter the area, they spot a white figure from the window, which again appears later.
Wow! Kahit sa umaga daw, kahit sa tanghali, may nakakakita sa'yo dito. Pero pare, kung ang nagpapakita yung babae, paano yung lalaki? Walang sabi?
Wala, nung ilang balik na kami dito bro, pero yung babae lang yung nagto bro eh.
Babae lang?
Oo.
Baka yung lalaki nakatawid na bro. Wow! May tunog galing dito. Ha?
Bumukas na naman bro. Biglang bumukas na bro.
Wow!
Yan mga idol, so medyo ininaan lang natin konti yung ano. Bro, dito bro, Han, inaan mo yung flashlight. Hinaan mo, mawawala to. Takot sa malakas yan. Andiyan sa likod ng pinto bro.
Dito.
Ayan o, ayan o.
Oh my gosh, ano siya?
Loko nga.
Come back.
Kaibigan kami ha. Okay lang ba? Lumapit ako sa'yo?
Ikaw nagsirado nito?
Hindi.
Sarado ba yan?
Kanina?
Bukas ito kanina. Ayun o. Anong gumagalaw?
What is in your hand?
What is in your hand? Kanino? Ah, ito? Camera to. Wow, pare! Nakuha ng camera ko, bro.
Nakuha na mo?
Oh,
Angel.
ha?
Siguro ng angel.
Wala bro.
Pare, wala.
The place becomes more active as loud bangs continue, and from a crack, he spots the white figure standing again.
Huwag ka manakit, ha?
Ayan na naman bro.
Saan?
Ayan na.
Wow! Lower down yung light, Han. Lower down yung light. Para malapitan natin. Lower yung light. Wow! Pare, nagdadalawang isip na akong lapitan yan eh. Kasi nung one time nilapitan ko, hindi.
There is a shapeshifter.
There is a shapeshifter?
Ito bro, yung gitara bro.
Ha? Nangyari?
Nakuha na no?
Oh. Wow. Dulo ko yung flashlight ko. Pare, lumilindol yung bahay, bro. Ha? Oh, oh. Ayan o.
Bro,
Ha?
ayun na sa gitara oh.
Wow.
Resemble.
Wow. Lower down lang, ah. Lower down lang lights.
Siguro nagtataka siya, no? Na i-explain his equipment.
Nagtataka siguro siya, bro, kung bakit.
Ilan kaya sila dito bro no?
Ilan ba kayo dito?
Sabi niya kanina infant, may infant pa.
May bata? Maliit? Parang demonic to eh.
Kung ginagamit niya.
Kasi may nagsasabi din eh na ano, na gusto niyang makipaglaro.
Saan sa?
Sa
Oh. Merong?
hindi lang pala puti.
Wow! Pare, ano yan? Ha?
Tingnan natin bro.
Pumunta na.
Ano yan?
Iwan ko.
Ano yan, bay?
Parang kulay itim eh. Hindi lang pala isa yung nandito bro.
Ano nangyari sa'yo?
Lastly, the white figure is seen peeking again, and this time from the window up close as it moves away, its face seemingly distorted in a creepy way. In this spine-tingling clip, we step into a world where the ordinary collides with the supernatural, an everyday setting that transforms into a stage for the uncanny.
¿A qué son? 10 para 7, estoy con mi tío en la sala. Se escuchan ruidos del baño. Es en el baño de abajo otra vez. Nena, ven. Se vio algo. Ven, nena. Nena, ven, nena. Está abierta la llave. Nena. Ven, córrele.
The bathroom tap, once silent, comes to life, opening by itself. As the man approaches the bathroom, he spots a reflection in a mirror that leaves him terrified. That's it for today. Subscribe Mr. 5X for more.